Legends of Learning presents the Exponential Expansions game. This is a math game that makes learning about writing and evaluating expressions with exponents fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, Exponential Expansions takes place in a factory where the player follows and interacts with a production line. This line is composed of inputs, which are whole numbers, fractions, and decimals. Math machines, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponential functions. Outputs and belts to connect them all. In each stage, the player will have to assemble a line that represents a mathematical expression that will be shown on the screen. Use the W, A, S, and D keys to move forward or backward and left and right to view the math machines. The Q and E keys will move the camera angle to view different parts of the machine. Point and click with the mouse to adjust numbers on the machine to complete math questions, and select the correct numbers to answer math questions to move on to the next level. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.